Hi, my name is Tyson Craig. For my $100 challenge, I created a company called Dynamic Detailing. Dynamic Detailing specializes in the cleaning of inside of cars. We Dynamic Detailing strives to provide a clean car at a price that the customer and we can both agree on. You may ask, what's the main difference about dynamic detailing versus other car detailing services? The main difference is there is no set packages or pricing. All work is bid work or negotiable so that we can provide the best price possible to all our customers. This has allowed us to contact the people that keep their car clean but like to have it touched up now and then. We are able to provide them lower pricing than other car detailing services. The main sources of marketing for dynamic detailing up to this point in time has been through Facebook and Instagram. This has been done through many posts and messaging with clients. You may ask how it works. The customer will set up a time to bring their car for dynamic detailing to observe. From there, we give them a bid and we are open to negotiating the price of any service that the customer wants done. Once the customer and dynamic detailing agree on a price, we may go ahead and do that service the same day, or they may schedule another time to bring it back. Here's the job that we completed. You can see the top left picture of the before picture and the bottom right of after. The difference that we were able to make and the quality of service that we offer. My financials, we have been doing this for 6 weeks. The first week I began marketing. By week 2 we had sales, and it went on until week 6 we slowed down and we were not able to get any schedule or make any revenue. To this date we have $126 in revenue with $35 in expenses. That leaves a profit of $91. Dynamic Detailing is seeking an investment of $500 for a 50% stake in the company. You may ask what the money would go towards. We would do online marketing through Google and Google AdWords. We would also purchase new equipment to expand the services that we offer and to continue to provide great services to the customer.